Guys, look at my Phantom wallet. I've made all this money from purely creating coins. And look, I am not here to sell you a course like all these other gurus on this app. I'm here to show you how to create coins in this video and how I make my money every single day consistently, which means I am extremely serious. If you want to take this seriously and you want to start printing, well, this video is for you, bro. I will show you every single step into deving a meme coin. Now look, bro, if you are currently thinking about starting to trade these coins, you have to stop. Meme coin trading is extremely unprofitable because most of these coins are straight scams. All they do is launch, dump, and then repeat. It's the same thing over and over again. I'm pretty sure most of you guys bought a coin and you got to work right after, bro. It's exactly how meme coins move. It's in its nature. And that's exactly why I hate trading, bro. It's a losing game no matter what. So instead, bro, I am the one launching these coins and I am making money on all the traders. I am on the winning side now. I launch, sell, and repeat, and that's exactly how I make my money, bro. You make money from the creator fees. So on every single buy and sell in your coin, you take a percentage into your Phantom wallet as a dev. And the second method is from your supply. So you own a little bit of supply, right, which you can sell at the top, and you can make money like that as a dev, bro. It's extremely repeatable and mechanical. That's why I love deving. I will show you how to create coins right now with my strategy. Keep watching. And just to be clear, bro, yes, I make money from deving every single day, bro. You guys can check my YouTube channel, but this entire video is for educational purposes only. I am not a financial advisor at all. I do not condone any financial advice given in this video. Yeah, cap. Now, first of all, bro, head over to the launchpad called coins.launch.io. Here is where you'll be creating your meme coins for the Solana blockchain. Now, yes, we will be launching our coins on Solana, but by making your coins here, your coins are going to go to Raydium instead, not Pump.Fun. They are going to go on the migration section right here on the Raydium DEX. Now, the Raydium DEX is 100 times more better than Pump.Fun because most coins on Pump.Fun go absolutely nowhere. It's oversaturated. As you guys can see, there's a bunch of coins launching on Pump.Fun, but none on Raydium. And that's exactly why most coins on Pump.Fun get no buyers and no one sees them. But instead, the Raydium coins, they do absolutely amazing. They get a bunch of buyers, they get a bunch of volume, and that's why we launch our coins on Raydium, bro. It's insanely profitable, you guys will see. So use coinslaunch.io. Now here's exactly how to make a meme coin on coinslaunch.io. You have multiple options. You can create your own coin from scratch. So if you have any type of narrative, well, you can make your meme coin here, just like Pump.Fun, for example, right? But yeah. Or you can copy coins. Now look, here bro, I've made all my money from this panel. I've made all my money from copying coins because every single meme coin here is proven to get buyers. They all went viral on Pump.Fun, bro, which means they already have good proof of concept to get buyers on Raydium or on Pump.Fun, wherever, bro. That's why we copied these coins back to Raydium, bro. You guys will see. I will do a live launch and we will see how much I can make. It's insane, by the way. Let's go. Now, first of all, bro, make sure your Phantom wallet is connected. That is the first step, right? And now let's dev a coin and see how much you can make, bro. All live right now, no cuts, no nothing. So I'm gonna go for, well, I don't care about the narrative. I just go for a random one. Just make sure that you're not copying the same coin twice. Okay, that's all I have to say. I'm gonna go for this one. Click on copy the Raydium. Ignore the block or the warning. It's completely normal. Okay, every launchpad will get this warning. Click on proceed, confirm. Here, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin will be minted on Solana. Just wait a couple seconds now. And then boom, now let's create the liquidity pool. Here is where we create our supply for Raydium. Now for the coins right here, click on 90%. I do that for all my meme coins and it's perfect. For the dev buy for yourself because you do need supply, put anywhere in between 0.3 to 1 SOL. You are not going to lose this amount, okay? It will be like removed temporarily for coins, but once you cash out at the end, it's going to turn back into SOL, so it's not a big deal, bro. It is not lost, even if no one buys your coin, it is not lost. Click on create pool, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox, confirm, and then the coin should be live actually. It was extremely quick, and now it's live. Boom, click on refresh, and now it's live. people can buy our coin and see our chart. So let's go on our trading platform. You can use any trading platform. Just go find your coin on Solana. And as you guys can see, it's already pumping. Now, if you want to see how much you're up, come back to coins launch, click on refresh. And as you guys can see, we're already up $200 in profit. That's insane. All you have to do from now on is let your coin pump, okay? Do not sell right now. Let it pump for at least 2 to 10 minutes around there. It's up to you, to be honest. Okay, if no one buys your coin, if you only make 20 bucks, you can move on to the next coin. It's not a big deal, guys. Okay, so I'm gonna be right back. Alright guys, I am back, and as you guys can see, we're at a 90k market cap within like 20 to 30 minutes. I went to eat, now I'm back. Let's cash this out to see how much we made. So if you come back to coins launch and you click on refresh, you guys can see that we're up 2.7k in profit. That is absurd. Let's cash out. Click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity, ignore the block, click on proceed, confirm, checkbox confirm, and then we should be fully out. We should have cashed out. Bang, we just cashed out, and that's exactly how I make money from deving. Look in my phantom wallet, boom, the money is here. 2.7k was made in my phantom wallet for educational purposes only. Now it's up to you guys to start deving coins. Coinslaunch.io will be linked down below, bro. Good luck, just stay consistent, never give up.